Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Amazon S3 versioning. Now, versioning is a mean of keeping multiple variants of an object. You can use versioning to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored in your Amazon S3 bucket. Now with versioning, you can easily recover from both unintended user action and application failure when you enable versioning for a bucket. If Amazon S3 receives multiple writes requests for the same object simultaneously, it stores all of the objects. Now, if you enable versioning for a bucket, Amazon S3 automatically generates a unique version ID for the object being stored. I have opened one notepad where I am going to write one. This is to test AWS S3 versioning, and I'm going to save it. In the key pair, and I'll give the name AWS S3 versioning and save. I'll upload this. I'll add file and I'll just say upload. This file is uploaded now, and here you can see versions. Now earlier when versioning was not enabled, we were unable to see this version. Now you can see the version, and if you by default it will show you on the hide, but you can always click on show and it will show you the versioning. AWS S3 versioning, you can see the April 4, and this is the latest version with the version ID. This is the version ID. Now because I have enabled the versioning after uploading this S3 JPG image. So for S3 it won't show the version ID. But now the versioning is enabled. All the upcoming or all the objects which I am going to upload it now will show the version ID. Now this is the version ID. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update one more line here to the same file, and I'll save it. Again I'm going to upload the same file once again. Now it will. Now the file is same. You have to see the size, the 34, and this is 85 bytes. Now the size is also changed and the version is also changed. Now you could see this is the latest version. I have uploaded the same file 231, and now this is the latest version 232. So this is the latest version. And if you hide it, which version it will show? So let's see which version it will show. It is showing the latest one. That way you can use the versioning. Now if you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. So that's all we have in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll come with a new topic. So till then, thank you so much for watching it.